just wanted to show you how to refill your Zippo. This is my Zippo. So you're going to want to take the Zippo out of, this is the insert, and you have cotton right here, and it might be hard to grab, but you just kind of have to pull out the little hairs until you get it up. Or you can stick something sharp, like right down there. And then in there, you got some rayon balls. They're like cotton that hold the lighter fluid. And some lighter fluid. I'm just using some just general lighter fluid. And I usually go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it soak in a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to close that.